Have you ever paused for a moment and wondered, isn't this really my life? You wake up, follow the same routine, walk the same path, talk to the same people, yet deep inside, something feels missing. Something feels out of your control. Maybe you've even felt that your inner strength, the fire you once had, has gone silent. And you don't know when that happened or how. If you feel this way, even for a moment, then this message, this video, is for you. Because today, I'm going to tell you something that might quietly shift the course of your life. Not with pressure, not with fear, but with truth. We all want success. We all want happiness. But somehow the path feels blurred. We see others rising, faster, higher, stronger, and inside, we whisper to ourselves, they must have something special. Something I don't. But listen carefully. This is the biggest lie you've ever believed. Those who rise aren't born special. They aren't gifted some magical ability. They simply choose the right mindset. They choose discipline. They choose courage. They choose to show up, even when life breaks them down. Real transformation doesn't happen the day you win. It happens the day you decide you will no longer be controlled by excuses, fear, or failure. It happens the day you tell yourself, I'm not done yet. Your inner strength is not ordinary. It is fire. A fire that can pull you from darkness to light. A fire that can push you forward when the world pushes you down. A fire that reminds you your story is not over. Your destiny is not fixed. Your future is not written by others. It's written by you. But there is one condition. Your faith in yourself must be stronger than your fear, stronger than your doubt, stronger than your past. Because the biggest mistake you can make is believing that you can't change, that where you are right now is where you'll always be. This, right here, is where your transformation begins. Let's break this lie today. It doesn't matter where you came from. It matters where you choose to go. It doesn't matter how many times you fell. It matters how many times you stand back up. Inside you, there is a fire. Your dream, your purpose, your identity. And today is the day you fan that flame again. But here's the real question. Will you only listen to these words? Or will you finally believe them? Because if you only listen, nothing will change. But if you believe, your entire life can shift. Starting today, make a vow to build a life so strong, so meaningful that every word you speak reflects your growth, your journey, your rise. Failure will come. You will fall. You will doubt yourself. But these moments aren't the end. They are stepping stones. Every failure brings you one step closer to your success. Every challenge builds a stronger version of you. Wake up the lion inside you. Look at your goal not with fear, but with ownership, with confidence, with the belief that you can rebuild your life. You can rewrite your destiny. You can rise again. Your life is in your hands. Your future is in your decisions. Your strength is already inside you, waiting for you to call it out. Have faith. Take the step. Your path will appear as soon as you start walking. And if today, even one sentence touched your heart, know this. Change doesn't need years. Change doesn't need permission. Sometimes, one moment is enough to turn your entire life around. Maybe, just maybe, this is that moment. If today's words made you think, made you feel, or made you rise, share your story in the comments. Let the world know that you're ready to start again. And if you want more life-changing messages like this, stay connected with Noor Special. Your journey has just begun. And trust me, the future you're about to build is waiting with open arms.